Ben Affleck reunited with his exes Jennifer Lopez and Jennifer Garner to watch their children perform together in a school play in Los Angeles, California on Friday. After the kids took their final bow on stage, the two-time Oscar winner could be seen patiently waiting to congratulate both Finn, who he shares with Garner, and his stepchild Em, who uses the gender-neutral pronouns they/them following the show. Affleck was seen giving Em, who Lopez shares with her ex-husband Mark Anthony, a sweet embrace and a kiss on the head before saying goodbye. During the exchange, an eyewitness revealed to the reporter that Lopez looked on adoringly. The 55-year-old superstar looked every inch the sporty mom as she waited to give Em a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Lopez and Affleck were also seen having a conversation with each other as they mingled with the other attendees. During their 2-year marriage, which Lopez filed to end over the summer, Affleck and the Let's Get Loud hitmaker mastered the art of integrating their two households into one blended family. Lopez exuded showbiz glamour at the evening event, wrapping herself in a long white coat with the sumptuous trim of what may have been fox fur. Teaming a blood red blouse with fashionably high-waisted jeans, she wore her caramel hair down for her latest outing. The Jenny from the Block hitmaker accentuated her luminous complexion with makeup and brought the look together with a pair of heels. Affleck meanwhile was dashing as ever in a classic black suit, adding the casual touch of going without a tie for the evening. He appeared to be in bright spirit as he attended Finn and Em play, smiling as he chatted with other people from the audience. Garner was dressed coozily for the winter, wearing a warm moss green split sweater that she laid over a white t-shirt. Throughout their relationship, Affleck and Lopez were seen forming close bonds with each other's children and often pictured in public sharing special family moments. Even amid their ongoing divorce, the pair have been spotted out together with their kids on several occasions, including a meetup at the Beverly Hills Hotel. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.